Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Smith from Backbench Coder. So we have almost finished our project and this is probably the second last part before the deployment. Okay, so in this video we are going to get all the channels the user is subscribed to. Let me show you that in my final product. So this is a deployed version, not YouTube.web app. Remember, it's not YouTube. So if I click on these subscriptions, look at this. These are all the channels I am subscribed to. Look at this. This is the same video horizontal components. We are going to reuse our component. Now getting data from the API is really straightforward, but rendering the data will be a little tricky. As we are going to use the same video horizontal component, and you know that YouTube API sends you very inconsistent and unstructured data, so we need to manage that, and we as the developers like to face challenges. So let's do that. Just go back to your code editor and set up the subscription screen. So first of all, just go to the app.js and create a route. Let's copy a route. Nice. The route is feed/subscriptions, feed/subscriptions, because YouTube follows this structure: feed/like videos, feed/history, feed/subscriptions, subscriptions. Cool. And it will be wrapped with the layout, and here I need to show subscriptions. Okay, let's create the screen. Inside the screens folder, let's create a folder because I need the styles file, subscriptions screen. Let's create a .js file and the .sass file, .js and the .sass file, .sass. Cool. So inside this .js file, let's create a dummy component. Here it is. Nice. Just import the .sass file, import subscription.sass. Nice. Just show subscription or something like that, subscriptions. Cool. Now just go to a sidebar and set up the link, sidebar.js, inside this nav, inside these subscriptions. Okay. So just wrap this list with the link. Import link from React Router DOM should be auto imported. Let's see. Come on. Yep. Auto imported from React Router DOM. I need to pass the to property and to what? /subscriptions or no, /feed. Come on. /subscriptions. Put this list inside the link. Nice. And look at this. The link is auto imported from React Router DOM. Cool. So at this point I can just go to the app and test my route. This YouTube using YouTube. Okay, click on the subscriptions. Nothing happened. Why? Refresh this, because my app is still compiling. Look at this, the color is blue now. We need to fix that. But click on the subscriptions. Look at this. I'm on the feed/subscriptions and this is my subs. Cool. Now just go to a documentation and let's see the endpoint. Just click on the subscriptions and then click on this list. And here I have all the details. Use cases list by channel ID, and then the second one is list my subscriptions, what I need. Just read the description. This example uses the mine parameter to retrieve a list of channels the user is subscribed to. Okay. The endpoint is /subscriptions. The part I can pass content details, snippet and subscriber snippet. I don't need this. Then I need to pass this mine, of course, as this data is related to the user, and then it has to be authorized request, so you need to pass your access token. We can pass that, not a problem. Anything else? The page token, if you want to make this paginated, you can use this page token. Nothing else. So let's create the action creator. Just go to Redux folder. Redux. Now these are all the videos of a channel, so just go to a videos.action. Cool. Let me copy an action creator. So I can just copy this from the channel.action because here is my endpoint /subscriptions. This is the same endpoint. I don't need to change much. Go to the videos.action. Put this here. Nice. Close the sidebar. Beautiful. The name of the action creator is get videos by channel. Get videos by channel. Cool. It needs the ID, I mean channel ID. It needs the dispatch, the get state, and from the get state I can retrieve our access token. That is fine. The endpoint is /subscriptions. That is cool. Inside the parameters I can pass snippet, I can pass content details, so content details. And then for channel ID, actually I don't need the ID. Why do I need the ID? So just remove this for channel ID. The mine is true, that is fine. This request is authenticated with the access token, that is also fine. Okay, so we need to create some action types. So just go to action types.js. Let's copy these action types. This is what? Subscriptions channel request. It's a good name. Select all of these and then subscriptions channel. That is fine. Now just go to the action creator and import this. So at the starting of the action creator, just fire the request. So dispatch type subscription channels, something like that. Yep, should be auto imported. Come on, now auto imported. Okay, and then when the request is success, here this is subscription success, sorry, subscription channel success, should be auto imported. Why does not auto import? The payload, this is data.items. Cool, I don't need to console the data. Then for the error, this is error.response.data, and just dispatch. Something went wrong, so dispatch subscription channel fail. Redux is very simple, so you need to agree with me. The payload is error.response.data. Okay, cool. My action creator is ready and I need to create the reducer. So just go to reducer folder, reducers, inside this videos reducer. And by the way guys, all the codes are available in the description box, so if anything goes wrong in your code, just check that out. Let's copy a reducer, copy this one, search videos reducer, put this here. Nice. The name of the reducer, subscriptions channel reducer. Yeah, that is better. Subscriptions channel reducer, that is cool. Okay, the initial state, the loading is true, videos is an empty array, that is fine. Just destructure the payload and the type, and the first case, this is subscriptions channel request, it will set the loading as true, that is fine. And then the second case, this is subscriptions channel success. Nice, should be auto imported. Come on, yep. Copy the previous state, set the payload as the videos, and then the loading is false, absolutely fine. And then the third case, which is subscription channel fail, should be auto imported. Nice, not nice, now nice. Okay, let's copy the previous state, loading is false, error is payload, that is fine. I've also exported this, so just import this in my store. Copy the name, go to store.js, inside this combine reducer, let's put this here. Can't auto import. What? So just manually import this from the videos reducer. Imported. Put this as subscription channel. So subscriptions channel. That's it. At this point I can dispatch my action creator. So just go to a subscription screen. Okay. Again the process is same. Dispatch the action creator when the component did mount. So let me just copy this from a screen. Let's go for the search screen. Okay. I need the dispatch. Also I need the use params. I need the use effect. Okay, cool. Copy all these 3 lines inside the subscription screen. Cool. Okay, just import the use params from React Router DOM. Imported. Import the use dispatch from React Redux. Fine. Import the use effect from React. Nice. And then dispatch. Just remove this. Okay. So first of all, I need the params. The name of the params is channel ID, I guess. Let's go to the app.js. Oh, actually I don't need the channel ID. Okay, that's cool. And by the way, inside this layout, just import the subscription screen. Subscription screen. Come on, auto imported. Cool. Just go back to the subscriptions. And on this context, if you are enjoying this project, please hit the subscribe button. At least hit the like button. Like, look at this. This is 2:36 AM. Please do me a favor, hit the like button. Cool. Anyway, I don't need this use params. Just don't import this also. Cool. So just dispatch get videos by channel. Get videos by channel should be auto imported. Nice, auto imported. I don't need the query. Just dispatch. Oh, not auto imported. Let's try again. Nice. Cool. So at this point I should see my data. Let's say YouTube, using YouTube, refresh this, go to Redux, here it is, go to a state, subscription channel, here is my videos. Okay, that is cool. Let's see what we have. I have the snippet, I have the content details, so we just need to render this data. So just get the data from the Redux store using use selector. So const destructure something, use selector. This hook is coming from React Redux. Pass the selector function. It will get the whole state or Redux state, and I need the state dot. So subscriptions channel. Cool. So I just need the loading and the videos. So the same approach again. I just need to check the loading. If the loading is true, I will show some skeletons. If the loading is false, I'll just map over this and render the video horizontal component. and same typo again. This is loading, like this is my 100 typo, you can say. So just remove the div, put a container. This container is coming from React Bootstrap, should be auto imported. Cool. I don't need any padding, so just put this fluid property, that is cool. Okay, inside a curly brace, just check if the video is loading or not. So if not loading, I'll just map over the videos. So videos, just for safety and optional chaining, videos.map, get every video and render the video horizontal component. Should be auto imported. Horizontal, nice, auto imported. Just pass the video as the video. And what about the key? What is the unique value? Let's see. This is video.id. Cool. Video.id. And if it is loading, I need to show some skeletons. Just copy this from the search screen. Copy the skeleton theme part. Go to a subscription screen. Else, so just put a colon. Nice. Import the skeleton theme. Skeleton. Okay. And also import the skeleton from the package skeleton. Nice, imported. Cool. Yeah, so we have rendered this video horizontal component. Let's see. Look at this. We already have some styles. With that, we already have some errors. So we need to fix all of this. Look at this. This is what we want. Nope. So let's modify this. So inside this video horizontal component, I'll pass another property which is subscription screen. So subscription screen as true. Oops. Subscreen, it's better. Subscreen. Okay. So now I can modify this component based on this property. So just go to the video horizontal component and destructure this. Destructure the subscreen. Nice. So if this is true, it means this component is going to be rendered inside this subscription screen, and all the components are the channel items. Make sense? First of all, just modify the grid. Inside this grid, okay, this search screen. So if this is search screen, it will show 4 columns for the thumbnail part, else it will show 6 columns for the thumbnail part. So let's also do this for the subscreen. Subscreen. So or subscreen. Just copy this, and for the second column also just put the subscreen. Nice. Let's see. Now I need to render the channel descriptions, the number of videos this channel has. So just go back to the component. Okay. So right now I am checking if it is a video or not. With this logic, id.kind equal to YouTube video. But now I need to modify this. Nothing much. I'll just reverse this because I have this subscreen now. Okay. So just check if the kind is YouTube has channel or subscreen. So if it is one of them, it means this is a channel, and just put a not, it means it's a video. Cool. So now I have this is video logic slightly modified, and then inside this use effect, I need the get channel icon, that is fine. Inside this fuzz use effect, the get video details, I don't need this. So I'll fire this get video details if and only if this is a video item. So inside this I can just check if is video is true. Is video is true, then only I'll fire this get video details, and also put this inside the dependency array is video. That is cool. Okay, let's see what we have now. Inside this handle click, what about this? Look at this. If it is a video, then push to this URL, and if it is not, in that case just push to this channel/channel ID. Now let me show you. This id.channel ID is not valid in this case. Let me show you. Just go to Redux. How can you get the channel ID? Here's my Redux store. Go to a subscription channel. Go to the videos. Let me expand this. I will show you how inconsistent YouTube API is. So just click on these videos. Click on an item. Look at this. This is your ID. Nope, this is not the channel ID, but I am getting all the channel. Okay. Then inside the snippet, this is my channel ID, and also inside this resource ID, this one is the channel ID. Now which one is valid? Let me show you. Just go to the original YouTube, youtube.com/channel, and then slash, just copy a channel ID. Let's first copy the second one. Go to here, just put this, enter. Look at this, this is the user's channel ID. and then the second one, copy this, put this after the channel. This one is the right channel ID. What I need, look at this, right? So I need to get this channel ID from the resource ID, and I told you how YouTube the API is inconsistent. So basically, first of all, I need to destructure this resource ID from the snippet, and then I can get the channel ID. So just go back to the video horizontal component. Inside the snippet, just destructure the resource ID. Okay. So now for the channel ID, where is the channel ID? Let's close this use effect. This one, this channel ID. I can access this from the id.channel_id. So let's create another variable, const underscore channel ID. So first, just try to get this from the resource ID. It can be undefined, so just use an optional chaining. So resource ID dot channel ID, and if it is not true, in that case, just go for this id.channel ID. Just copy this, put it here. That's it, and just replace this with the channel ID. Replace this one with channel ID. Cool. It looks fine. Yep. Actually, I can just replace this with the channel ID. I don't need the id.channel ID. Cool. So now my thumbnail is fine. The row is also fine. The views, I don't want to show this. The descriptions, actually I want to show the descriptions. So just copy this channel screen or search screen logic, this one, and put this instead of is video. Just put this inside the parenthesis. Okay. So I'll show the description if it is being rendered on the subscription screen or on the search screen. Because remember, this video horizontal component is also being rendered inside the watch screen, inside the related videos, remember? Okay. Channel title, this is fine. And now I need to show the number of videos this channel has. So just put a paragraph with a class name margin top 2. Okay. So how can I get the number of videos? Just go to Redux store. Let's see the content details. Look at this. I have this total item count. So I can get this from the video.contentdetails.total item count. So inside the curly brace, just go for the video with an optional chaining. Do I need the optional chaining? No, I don't need the optional chaining. Video.contentdetails.total item count. Cool. This number of videos, just put a space videos. That's it. And I will show this only on the subscription screen. So subscreen, and cool. It is fine. Let's see. Refresh this. Okay. I just need to clip the description, else everything is fine. So just go to a .sass file, video horizontal.sass. Okay. Inside the description, do I have a description class? Inside the description, where is the description? Yeah, this one. Let's put a class, something like video horizontal descriptions underscore disks. Just go to the sass file, just target this and disk. Just hover over this video horizontal disk. Perfect. So just copy this line clamp 2, that is fine. Line clamp for 2, and if it is under this breakpoint small, I will not show this. I will not show the description. So just uncomment this underscore disk display none. That is fine. Let's see. Better. Let's click on a channel. Oh, it is redirected me to the home screen because it thought that slash channel route does not exist. So it is a 404 route. So that's why it is being redirected to the home screen. Let me just catch this. So I'll go to the app.js. Copy a route. This is channel channel ID, and this is channel screen. Let's see. Go to subscriptions, and by the way guys, I need to fix these styles. We're gonna do that, not a big deal. Click on a channel, and here we have channel / the channel ID, and I have the channel screen, which I am going to do in the next part. Anything else? Just search for a video. Coder. Oh, this is channel / search / coder. Nope, it should not happen. Go to the header.js. Oh, it should be /search, not just search. Let's see now. Yeah, now it's better. I mean, it's perfect, not better. Look at this. I have the coder, the name of the channel, and I have the channel descriptions, practical tips for beginner on web developer. Okay, so perfect. In the next video, we are going to complete the channel screen, and then we are going to deploy our project with the CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Actions. So a lot of things coming up. See you in the next video. And if you are enjoying this project, please hit the like button. Please hit the like button. Please. See you in the next video. Bye.